In this video, we'll learn how to run and test a script from the SIL Manager. To begin, open the due date SIL script and click the Run button. A Run Script Failed message displays. And if we open the Editor console, we see a message stating that the script is not running in the context of an issue, cannot get value for field due date. The error displays because SIL doesn't know which Jira issue to execute the script against. Currently, the only way to test the script is to open an issue, move it to in progress, and make sure the due date field increments as expected. But that's kind of a lot of steps if we're writing an involved SIL script and making several updates. Instead, let's run, test, and debug the script directly from the SIL Manager. Click the Run dropdown and select Default Script Context. Then, in the dropdown field, begin typing a Jira ticket and select it from the list. Click OK and run the script. The Editor console displays a Done message, and if we look at the ticket that we used for testing, the due date is set to 5 days from today. Let's take a look at one more testing resource available in the SIL Manager. In this example, on line 1, we declare a string variable named issueKey and set its value to scrum6, which is the work item we want to update. Then, on line 2, we use that variable to target the scrum6 work item and set its due date to the current date plus 5 days. The percent signs around issueKey tell SIL to use the value stored in the variable, in this case scrum6, as the work item to update. Now, let's use our original script to illustrate one important note about SIL scripts. They are case sensitive. So, if I update the due date field to be all lowercase and check the script, it fails. To summarize, save testing time when building SIL scripts by running scripts directly from the Manager console. These features allow you to run, test, and debug scripts, all from the SIL Manager.